welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you what's in my Brittany Damier Event canvas. Okay, let's get started. This is the beauty. This is it's called Brittany and Bordeaux Scholar. I think it's Bordeaux. I don't know. Let's see. It's a little bit heavier right now because there's a lot of stuff in here. And that's why I'm gonna show you what's in there, what's inside. Okay, first of all, I got this in 2016 and I really love it. I always use it almost every day. What I have here is inside is my mini pochette. I have some stuff in my mini pochette and I have all my essentials. I have my charger, my perfume, spray. Okay, let's do that, put it aside. I have some lotion here as well. Sorry, it's kind of heavy. All right, so that's what I have in there. I'm using my CAISSA wallet and this matches. It's good. It's a Damier Ebene canvas too. I really love this pattern. So anyway, this one. Right, and I am using my pouch from my Neverfull because I need some daily essentials. I have some other stuff here. I have some sanitizer, my lipstick, my mirror, and some medication just in case, because sometimes I get some headaches and my allergies acting up sometimes. So I have that ready. I always carry this because I don't have the toiletries yet, and maybe I'm planning to get one, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Anyway, I also carry this. This is my Victoria's Secret mist. I always use this one. Carry that. And I also have my mini brush. I always use this one. I always carry this mini brush. Also, I also have the pass for work and some cards for my daughter's business. She's doing her lashes extension. I have that. I have some mint. Okay, this bag is a very versatile bag. It's so beautiful. It has, look at this. It has that. It's so nice, gorgeous bag. You can use this as a handbag. You can use this as with a shoulder bag, so shoulder strap. I love this bag. All right, it's kind of like, this is the inside of this bag. Look at that. When I put all the stuff that I have there, it's kind of heavy, but I like it. It's kind of dirty right now, so anyway, I'm gonna take it out. And this is what you call Brittany from Louis Vuitton. So anyway, I'm gonna put it back, my stuff inside. First, I'm gonna put my pass for work, and I'm putting it on these two slats. There's two slats in here, okay? And I'm putting my CAISSA wallet. All right. I have my brush. I just wanted to be organized inside here. And then this, I always use this to spray just in case if I go to the washroom or whatever. Also, I put my mini pochette. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside when I put them all together. It looks so organized because I don't have an organizer and I don't like using organizer. So anyway, let's see. We're gonna put this inside here and I'll show you how it looks after. Okay. So, ta-da! So all the stuff that I have looks like this. Okay, see that? It looks so nice and organized inside. And that is my Brittany. Isn't it pretty? This is my, I love this precious bag. This is very, very beautiful. See? I love this bag. It's kind of expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, so want to see more of my videos? I'm gonna start making videos again because I finished. I stopped doing it, but I wanted to do it again. So if you want, you can like and subscribe my videos and see you on the next one. Bye.